Mbunge ya kaunti ya Meru neringite kura na gukurukia muswada jo kweberia ngavana Kawira Mwangaza obisine gukurukira impeachment. Ririkana riri ni igita ria jatano siasa iji niretete mpatho tikiri MC yake ndikinya kiri kanjo ya Kurubanjuri Ncheke. Oja uria Morgan Mwitia kwathira mpatho iji niringithitie baria batiritite uge bwao kiri mantu jegie impeachment ja Peter Munya. Giki ni gichunki gia siasa.
Itinda ria ngavana wa Meru Kawira Mwangaza iritite na mbere kuma nyuma ya mbunge ya Meru gukurukia muswada jo tano jo kumweberia obisi na gukurukira impeachment. Maiteja ria ngavana Kawira thitangi najo ni amwe na kuna katiba na mawatho jangi kwagira obisi ya ngavana gitio na utumiri bobo obisi. Muswada jojo jwikitwe mbunge ni MCA wa Koroto Zipora Kinyaka na ZK urano we munini wa baraba ingie mbunge neu. Nyuma ikarobia mwingi gwikwa kuringana na MCA Bamiru ikwari na mubango jo koragani karobia mbunge endebo batari nogwa
tuigwenya mibango etina kubanga bya kwithia assembly anga mantu ya maingi otisha kinya ukatha kwena vitisho bando assembly tukaendelea na process chetu, lakini barana baba kondo utumiro kinya itu baonyo iba imenyerere no ntueto utumirika wacha manena sheria njarene wacha manena sheria na iwoke authority accountable akuga withia assembly je mheshimiwa governor okweko gochiekira maukune ja kuya kutho we mutongerio muthuku na mutongerio rote kuthingata watho na batu tutegutinda kwiranga oi gavana kathithio kabanga wenda kuya kwithia nyombe ijana antu bokuga weje withie nabo ugatirimana na full force sheria.
Ojore MCA barari na wasiwasi ya mantu ja wagagia ikuumira gachagacha ende MCA Bamiru barara mbungene.
I think the issues of intimidation to the members of this county assembly and also trying to use goons to maybe intimidate members and also maybe to ban the assembly and other issues, because if you came here yesterday at night you would think that we are in Lebanon where there has been a constant fight because there were a lot of fire and other things, and there's also people trying to throw petrol here, trying to ban the assembly, and I don't really believe that's how the county should be governed.
Nabo borisi barasiatera na gutigira kuri no kiru kuringana na DMK Kiogora urani MC wa Abogeta West mbunge une ithukiri na ithukie baraba kamatite monki na kujogera ndene.
Last night we slept in this house because we were told we will not be able to access this assembly. We slept on the floor of this assembly. Meru should know that. Then someone threw a Molotov cocktail from the court to the roof of this house. So members walked out because of the smoke that had started emanating from that corner.
Inde amona jaja rwariro rakuruka nyuma ya MCA 49 kuringa kura cha gwitikire kurita ngavana obisine are 17 baringire kura cha are.
We be bringing impeachment so that she can do her job. Should this house be bringing impeachment so that she can know her work? Should we be bringing impeachment so that the Meru County Revenue Board can have officers?
Backed by Article 75 of the Constitution of Kenya. 2, I want to support the move of the motion and say that Kawira Mwangaza, for this gross misconduct, must be impeached.
The results are that the ayes have it and the motion is passed and the governor stands impeached by the County Assembly of Meru.
Siasa iji niretete mpathukire mbunge ya kaunti ya Meru nare MCA batikwaria na mugambo jomwe.
I believe that, Honorable Speaker, none of the counts owns any water.
Governor Honorable Kawira Mwangaza is going nowhere, so they should get used to her as the governor of this county.
If given an opportunity anytime, I can impeach honorable members, not the governor. They are the people who have really sabotaged the development of this county and not the governor. I'm sorry to say that.
Neo kanjo ya kuru ya Njuri Ncheke itatigwa nyuma impatho iji rwatu irumirite nyuma ya mugambithania munene wa Meru Linus Kassan kurita watho ati musonda jo kabere jo kurita ngavana Mwangaza obichine jorunge kwe na juthikiro ne akuruba Njuri Ncheke. Gikundi kimwe kia Njuri Ncheke iye kuregana na nteto yu gitongerete ni mwandiki munene wao Josephat Murangiri na mukariri gite wa Linus Kathera.
Yo genda ko ya Njuri ko thitanga ke Njuri ukathikirwa injury lakini utothitangite kinjury kanjury yomba kuyukia mantu endeti ya koti atia.
Gikundi kiu kingi nakio gitongeretwo ni Adriano Aruyeru nakio kirenda Gavana Kawira Mwangaza bagwatanire na MCA
na twakara bonthe batwira batu bitu maturerare imambi ututonkia boya ne atabo kwenda ni no hawe mamire ne tonto to wonkia twana tu boya atwira kan dabe kira nyonto bakaruma na batu bere ibete atia ibarake kuruma ina nyonto kenda bonkia boya
untubu bo mugambithania Linus Kassan bokwendekithia igamba riu rithikirwo ni akuru banjuri ncheke bwamenerwo na inya ni maseneta.
I request the committee to, number one, explain the linkage between bodies outside the judicial structures and the court system, explaining the role of such bodies in facilitating the solution of matters found in the courts.
But may have missed a step with regards to how they are held to account, Mr. Speaker, for their decisions and actions.
To refer matters that should not be entertained under ADR because these are constitutional matters.
Okaunja unjene okau mantu jaja na ndini jaringithitie Peter Munya uria wari gavana wa mbere wa kaunti ya Meru akiuria Gavana Kawira Mwangaza akija kumutonyithia mantu ne jau
mantu yako ruro ofisi ya bangire 10 MB. Hii mambo ya kufungua ofisi za PNU tulikuwa tumepanga zamani na hata tulikuwa tumeannounce. Hatukuwa tumepanga kwa sababu kuna motion. Kwani mimi nakuanga huko kwa MCA. Mimi siingiangi kwa siasa hiyo. Hiyo ni siasa ya huyo gavana na MCA wake. Watatue vile wanataka wenyewe. Ango atanguni. Ambukumeria ndo enechio. Kida na kwenda wonkia bamwe na wonkia bange na bari bationketwe. Nari ayonka kia bara kwenda. Barate kwenda wonkia nari nabo. Ambukumeria thene enechiawe. Na itindeke na thina chiawe wonite thina muntu ibo komenya inda muchwerete kura nta muchwerete kogwa ichinda kithate atogwire chukumeru au twaita tukiwa utire kumerirwe kura uchiana lakini tokuwa sore tobudire makosa lakini twatokia rwe mwerene renge sawa tuchoke tuthuranire Meru ithire sawa twikinya kura ingi cia 2032 bete nana na chono ngachethere mubira na national wengi uchetha Ameru ibaririte na inya muno woni ankwenda kuromborekeri untu indarere kuya kuromba kura itera rengi mambo athuka turona accident ire karire na no tukuona accident ikiendelea aibu untu kuona mantu yonthe akwamite woni kuromborekeri lakini tayari uchoka
na ndikiragia teri ni tuare Senate kithoroba kamono kia Gavana Kawira Mwangaza kairi endirikana wakiri muthomithia nkolu kagitene katheru nerite Senate kinyabeja kono kia Gavana Kawira Mwangaza akabatiri mokuo kairi tontu juni jumukarijo wawe.
It is in the nature of Kawira to sting. So even if you give her another chance, whether it is on account of pity, whether it is on account of sympathy, whatever the reason, she will sting again.
Morgan Muti, Gichunki ya siasa, Weru TV.